Dear students, this is the practice quiz for Cisco SMBE 700-750 exam for module number 6. So module number 6 is about securing the modern workplace. So we can expect a similar kind of question in the exam. The first question is, which digital security solution is not primarily focused on protecting devices from cyber attacks? So the first option is endpoint security, second is network security, third is data encryption, and the fourth is identity and access management. So the probable answer is C, data encryption. Second question, which physical security solution helps manage visitor access and restrict unauthorized entry? So out of these four answers, the answer is access control system. Yeah, the next question could be related to the strategy wise. So what strategy is least? So least is a keyword, so focus on this one. Least effective for cross-selling secure solution in SMB's market. So cross-selling means that when you sell one product while the customer is interested in another product, so both products are sold at a time. So that's called cross-selling. So the answer for this question could be C. Prestige is less impactful than practicality and cost effectiveness for budget conscious SMBs, right? So prestige is a one of the good answer. So prestige is a key for you. When this word comes, almost there is a high probability that this could be the answer. So how can secure solution benefit the healthcare industry? Yeah, for the security and health industry, HIPAA regulation is very much important. So most probably the answer could be C. Yeah, so protecting patient data is crucial requirement for healthcare organization. What is the key factor for successfully adopting secure solution to different industries and vertical, right? So the answer is yes, adaptability and catering to the industry-specific needs are crucial for effective implementation. Here is a bonus question. Describe one specific feature and service offered by your company that helps SMBs address a key security challenge within their specific industry. Well done. So see you in the module number 7, SMBE 700-750 exam Cisco.